Hi, thanks for checking out another one of our videos here. This is going to be possibly a how-to repair video. It's on a Kencove solar unit. Don't know the model number top of my head because all the stickers for it all wore off. So I don't know. I do have some parts for some Kencove stuff here, the solar ones in stock, but I don't know if I have everything. So we're going to just play around with this thing, we'll test some stuff, see what's going on with it, see if the parts I got on hand are going to fix it or not. If not, I'm going to have to order some stuff. But there's our information, fencerfixer.com and cattlescalerepair.com. So, but you can get a hold of us anytime, basically, text, call, email, whatever. Well, let's just flip the switch on. I think it was already on, because I think that's on and that's off. Okay, well, didn't do anything. Let's I think this is a battery connection thing. The battery wasn't even hooked up. Okay, this is a 12-volt battery. Let's battery wasn't connected. It was on one terminal but not the other. So let's hook up. Let's test this battery, put on DC volts, and see what kind of voltage we get out of it. 12 volts should be over 12 to run. 1.9. So that battery's no good. So let's go get another battery. I think I've got this style in stock. Let me go take a look here. There's another battery. It was sitting there, but I don't know. Hopefully it's good. We'll test it here in a second. See what we read. 12.7. So this battery's good. Okay, let's hook it up here in a second. These terminals look pretty crusty. Let's clean them. I'm probably going to replace them. Let's make sure this thing's turned off first. Okay, it's off. Alright, I don't know how this battery exactly sits in here. It sits in here a certain way, so that way things don't come loose or whatever. So we'll just try it like this for now. Alright, I think there's a little light that's behind it that flashes. Hey. Clicking. Flashing. Turn it around. Let me go get my tester real quick. Okay, let me turn it off. Terminals are on the side here, so we'll loosen these up. Boom. Flunk that one right off. Alright, turn it back on. Turn this tester on. Go across ground and fence. Actually, hold on. I turn it, take this all the way off. That's gonna be bad glare. Okay, here we go. .6 kV. So that's good. So the unit is putting out right, but let's check the solar panel. I'm going to check it here in the shop, but typically on most solar units you should take them outside and get a full reading out of the sun. But this will give you an idea how to check the solar panel. So what you want to do is take it back out, remove the battery. And then these wires go in, or should be tied into the solar panel somehow internally. So, but you want to make sure that the unit is off. Come on. We're going to pull these wires out like this. We're going to turn it around, face it towards the light in the room. You'll see, make sure the unit's turned off by the switch. If you look at it, it's kind of coming out a little bit compared to the case. And when you push it in, it's kind of more flush. So when it's out more, that means it's off. So now we're going to put our meter on DC volts again. Turn the light on. And we'll see, this is a 12 volt system. Most solar units, when you test at the battery leads, are usually right around 14 volts. So, but I don't know what it's going to read in the shop. I might take it outside and get a reading out there. So we're going to go across 2 wires. And we're not getting anything out of it. See what it does when you turn it on, just to see. Still nothing. So maybe the solar panel's shot. Well, let's dig a little deeper and see why we're not getting any voltage there. So we'll tuck these wires back inside. We'll turn it like that so that way it at least stays together. Looks like there's looks like they're all Phillips screws that are holding it together. Take all the screws loose. Where's it latched together at? It's like down here at the bottom, possibly. Let's see if it separates. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, what a mess. What a Mickey Mouse design this is. Okay, that's that. Okay, so got the circuit board hides inside this little box, along with the transformer. And then here's the solar panel wires right here. So we know the board and everything inside here is fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this solar panel and everything. I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to test right across here. Actually, just for the heck of it, let's move this out of the way. And we'll test like this in the shop. We'll go right to the back of the solar panel. And I'll see what we get. If we get a good reading there, or better, then we know, okay, there's something between the solar panel and the board, and some kind of connection problem, or maybe the regulator or something in the board's gone bad. All right, so I'll just have to tell you what it reads because I can't show you. We're getting nothing out of it. So let me just put the meter up here so you can see. Nothing. Not a thing out of it. So that's why his battery's no good, because the solar panel's gone bad. Well, I'm going to have to figure out a solar panel for it. I don't have that in stock. I'm going to have to make a phone call and try to get a solar panel for it. Because I don't have that in stock. Looks like it's 18 volt, 10 watt solar panel. They even give me the measurements on there. So maybe I can find one online somewhere. Maybe retrofit it. Because it looks like it's glued into place, which is kind of silly. But they glue the silicone and stuff, the solar panel. Maybe we can bust that out of there. And then, if as long as it's the same size, we can maybe retrofit it into this thing. Maybe fill it full of silicone on the front side or something to keep the moisture out of it. But, well, that's basically it for this video. But hopefully it showed you how to test a few things and how these things look on the inside. Don't get very many Kencove solar ones. I don't know why. Either they don't go bad that often, or they send them to Kencove directly. But if you got a Kencove unit, we can work on them. When we get, we've got parts for a lot of Kencove stuff, but not very many solar ones come through here. So hopefully it helps you out. Subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends. Share the video. Like the video. There's information again. So, But until next time, I'll see you later on.